open the back door, you tie your bait here, this trapping system. When you tie your bait here, you close your door. When you close your door, you come to the front door. The front door has got this U shape and it's got a ring. You lift your door, you press it with this wire and make sure your ring is facing outside. When it is facing outside, you come here, you make sure you put the rod on this ring or circle, and you must make sure you goes at the far end of the wire so that it will be effective. Okay, when it is right like this, it's trapping now. So the cat comes, when it comes, it plays with the bait. When it just pulls the bait, it closes here. And when it closes here, it's locked. It won't open again. And it's obvious, this back door, it will be closed. So.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Gift.
Okay, thanks.